$1 billion. For most people, it's a number so big it doesn't even feel real. But for the world's biggest corporations, it's an amount they generate so quickly it barely seems like an effort. Some companies make $1 billion in a week. Some do it in a few days. And the most powerful among them can produce $1 billion in profit in less time than it takes most people to finish a workday. Today, we're diving into 2025 financial data to calculate exactly how fast the world's largest companies create $1 billion in net profit. The speeds are almost unbelievable, and they reveal how modern business has evolved into something nearly superhuman. Let's start with one of the most valuable companies on the planet, Apple. Known for its iconic ecosystem of iPhones, Macs, iPads, and services like Apple Music and iCloud, Apple is a titan of consumer electronics. In 2025, Apple is projected to earn around $112 billion in net income. When you break that down, it means Apple generates $1 billion in pure profit every 3 days, 7 hours, and 12 minutes. This incredible consistency is fueled by a combination of premium hardware sales, intense brand loyalty, and a growing stream of high-margin recurring service revenue. Their ecosystem is designed to keep you in, and it keeps their cash flow incredibly stable. Next up, we have Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Alphabet is the undisputed king of digital advertising, search, cloud computing, and AI technology. They monetize online traffic and data on a scale that's hard to comprehend. For 2025, Alphabet's net income is estimated to be roughly $124.3 billion. With those numbers, Alphabet reaches $1 billion in profit every 2 days, 22 hours, and 30 minutes. Think about that. Less than 3 days. Their ability to turn our online attention into profit is unmatched anywhere in the world. Every search, every video watched, every map route planned contributes to this incredible money-making machine. Then we move to Microsoft, a global powerhouse in software, cloud computing, and enterprise technology. Microsoft's empire is built on Windows, the Office suite, its massive Azure cloud services, and now, a significant stake in AI infrastructure. In 2025, Microsoft is on track to make about $104.9 billion in net income. That puts them at around 3 days, 13 hours, and 40 minutes to earn $1 billion in profit. Their transition to a subscription-based model with Office 365, their dominance in the corporate world, and the explosive growth of Azure Cloud have turned them into one of the most consistent and reliable profit engines on Earth. Now let's talk about the company at the very heart of the AI revolution, NVIDIA. Once known primarily for gaming, GPUs, NVIDIA now builds the essential hardware that powers data centers and artificial intelligence. The demand for their chips is astronomical. In 2025, NVIDIA's net income is projected to surge to about $99.2 billion. That means NVIDIA is generating $1 billion in profit approximately every 3 days, 17 hours, and 10 minutes. This incredible speed is directly fueled by the global race to build AI models and expand data center infrastructure. They are, quite literally, selling the shovels in the middle of a gold rush. Next on our list is Amazon, the world's largest e-commerce marketplace and the dominant force in cloud computing through Amazon Web Services, or AWS. While we all know Amazon for its online store, its profitability is increasingly driven by AWS, which delivers extremely high margins at a massive scale. In 2025, Amazon is expected to earn about $76.5 billion in net income. Based on that, Amazon produces $1 billion of profit every 4 days, 15 hours, and 20 minutes. Their ability to operate at an unimaginable scale in both retail logistics and cloud restructure gives them an enormous and enduring financial advantage. Now we shift from the world of tech to the world of energy, starting with Saudi Aramco, the planet's largest oil and gas company. As a global energy supplier, Aramco fuels transportation, manufacturing, and commerce across continents. Their 2025 profits remain among the highest of any company in history. Based on their massive scale and consistent output, Saudi Aramco generates $1 billion profit roughly every 2 to 3 days. Their staggering profitability comes from a simple formula: massive oil production, some of the lowest extraction costs in the world, and a non-stop global demand for energy that shows no signs of slowing down. Let's move back to technology and look at a company you may not know by name but whose products are probably in your pocket right now, TSMC, or Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. TSMC is arguably the most important chip manufacturer on the planet. They produce the advanced microchips for nearly every major tech company, including Apple, NVIDIA, AMD, and Qualcomm. Their technology is the literal backbone of modern electronics. In 2025, their profits continue at a blistering pace. allowing them to generate $1 billion within just a few days. This is possible because of their unique, almost monopolistic position as the leading producer of the most advanced semiconductors in the world. We also have to look at Tesla, the revolutionary electric vehicle and clean energy company. Tesla produces EVs, battery storage systems, solar technology, and is building a global energy ecosystem. While Tesla's profit can be more volatile than some of the other giants, depending on automotive margins and global market conditions, they still generate billion-dollar profit increments within days, 2 weeks. Their speed is tied to production cycles and consumer demand, but their growth trajectory has placed them firmly in the club of ultra-fast earners. Another major player in the semiconductor space is Broadcom. This is one of the most powerful and profitable chip and networking companies in the world. Broadcom supplies critical technology for smartphones, broadband systems, cloud servers, and telecom infrastructure. Their 2025 profitability puts them in the elite category where they generate $1 billion in just a few days. This is fueled by their dominance in high-margin enterprise hardware, AI networking solutions, and essential communications chips that power our connected world. Finally, we have Meta Platforms, the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Meta is a digital advertising and social media giant that profits directly from global user attention. Their sophisticated AI-driven advertising systems are incredibly efficient. Their 2025 financial performance places them right alongside the fastest-earning companies, capable of generating billion-dollar profits in just a few days. This speed is a direct result of their massive daily user engagement across their family of apps, which gives them a nearly endless inventory of ad space to sell. All of this raises one fundamental question. What makes these companies so incredibly fast at generating profit? The answer, in one word, is scale. These companies operate on a global level. They have billions of customers, millions of servers, massive logistics networks, high-margin software, and powerful, deeply entrenched technology ecosystems. Whether it's oil, semiconductors, cloud services, advertising, electronics, or AI hardware, these giants control enormous, often winner-take-all markets. The breathtaking speed at which they earn money shows how modern business has evolved. Some companies don't just earn billions a year, they earn billions a week. And as technology, automation, and AI-driven efficiency continue to accelerate, that gap between the giants and everyone else only gets wider. So the next time you hear a headline that a company made $100 billion last year, take a moment to break it down. Don't think in years, think in days, think in hours. Think about how often they produce an amount of money that most people could never dream of seeing in a lifetime. The billion-dollar clock is always ticking in for these titans of industry. It's moving faster every single year. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown interesting, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the world of business and technology. See you in the next one.